Okay, kung alam nyo naman na may skills kayo, why not try to apply as a virtual assistant or freelancers? Okay, you just need to discover your skills. You could always add your skills as well. You could always learn. Okay? Hi everyone, this is Leah once again and welcome to my channel, VA Talks with Leah. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you some tips on how you can start working from home as a virtual assistant or as a freelancer. Well, anyway, 5 years ago, I took a leap of faith and started my virtual assistant business. During that time, I still didn't know where I am good at. I just had basic knowledge in Microsoft Office applications and also Adobe Photoshop. I was still working in a BPO company as a call center agent when I got my first client, and until now, she's still one of my clients. I learned a lot from my clients, and I must say that I am lucky to have them because they have literally changed my life for the better. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some tips on how you can start working from home as a virtual assistant or as a freelancer. So number 1, make a list of all the soft skills that you have. Are you a good communicator? Are you a team player? Are you a trustworthy? So make a note of it and be sure to highlight this to your potential client. Number 2, determine your ideal client. Working with your ideal client will allow you to work from a place of joy and strength. You will have the skills they need. You will be performing the duties or tasks that you enjoy, and your work styles will complement each other. So, ganon dapat. Dapat nag-i-enjoy ka sa trabaho mo, and at the same time, napapakinabangan kanila syempre because of your skills, and you make their business grow. And do you prefer to work with men or women? Do you prefer with someone who is just starting that you might be able to assist to create a successful business? Or do you prefer with someone who has been around for a while and already know what he wants or what she wants? So, alamin mo yun sa sarili mo for you to be able to find or to work happily and successfully. And number 3, determine what services you would like to offer. Combine number 1 and number 2, find the commonalities, and this is a great place to start with what services to offer. You can offer administrative work, email management, graphic designing, or data entry and research only. You can also offer that. And what else? Lead generation. So, maraming services na pwede mong i-offer sa client. It depends na lang kung ano yung skills na meron ka or kung ano yung hilig mo at kung ano yung potential client mo. So, ganon. And number 4, determine your pricing. How much do you charge for your work? You need to figure out your just right price point wherein it will bring you new clients, and at the same time, you will earn money as well. Because most of the time, if you charge too much, you won't get any clients. If you charge too little, you might have enough clients, but you will be spinning your wheels and you won't be able to pay your bills. Kaya, dapat mag-research tayo. We can go to upwork.com, and then on the search bar, you can just type in, for example, your skill or your work that you would like to offer to your client is graphic designer. So just type in graphic designer, and lahat ng freelancers ng graphic designer, lalabas doon. You will be able to see how much they charge for their work. And you could also join different Facebook groups ng mga virtual assistants and freelancers. Marami yan ngayon. Sikat na kasi very in demand yan. Lalo na ng pandemic, maraming mga businesses sa USA, sa Europe, sa iba't ibang bansa na nag-hire na lang sila ng mga virtual assistant. Hindi na sila nag-open sa office nila kasi nga gawa ng COVID. Kaya sumika talaga at nag-boom ang freelancing career or ang virtual assistant career. Okay? And yun, pag nag-join kayo sa Facebook group, pwede kayo magtanong doon, can you help me? How much can I charge for data entry services? I'm just a newbie. So maraming mga mga willing tumulong kasi doon din ako nagkaroon ng idea about virtual assistant. Doon ako nagkaroon ng courage na mag-apply as a virtual assistant. Ayun. So malaking tulong yung mga Facebook groups na yan. Pwede kayong mag-join doon. Yun. Yung group na sinalihan ko noon na ang laki talaga na itulong sa akin ay Freelancing with a Heart. Hindi ko lang sure kung active pa sila ngayon. Pero, ayun, yun yung group na doon ako nagkaroon ng idea kung ano na ba yung mga pwede kong services na i-offer sa client or na pwede kong enhance or pwede kong pag-aralan para may i-offer ko sa client. Because even if you don't have skills, you can learn. We have YouTube, Google. So, it depends on what job you are interested in. So, we can also add new skills. Pwede tayo umattend ng mga training. Marami nag-offer ng training na may bayad. Meron din namang wala. At pwede rin naman, manood na nga lang tayo sa YouTube, mag-Google na lang tayo. So, in my own opinion, those 4 tips are the most important tips that you have to know before you start working as a virtual assistant or as a freelancer. And that's it for today's guys. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa aking video na to. Especially yung mga single moms dyan na katulad ko. Siyempre yung mga mommies din na nasa bahay na gustong kumita habang nasa bahay para maalagaan pa rin yung kanilang mga anak. Okay, kung alam nyo naman na may skills kayo, why not try to apply as a virtual assistant or freelancers? Okay, you just need to discover your skills. You could always add your skills as well. You could always learn. Okay? And ito yung chance, okay, you could always try to work from home because I believe with all my heart that we as a woman can be the best moms to our babies and run a successful business at the same time. So, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell for you to be able to get notified every time na may bago akong video na i-upload. Especially yung mga videos about virtual assistant. Okay? So, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye!